Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your Oxford English book and open your page number 18. Unit 3, Lesson 4, Sentences. Look at the picture. What are they doing? Write the missing names. Okay. Who is dancing? Look at her. Who is dancing? Dash is dancing like Sarah. Her name is Sarah. Who is eating a pancake? Look at him. His name is Tom. Write it here, Tom. Tom. Tom is eating a pancake. Who is running away from a rat? He's running away from a rat and his name is Ali. Dash is running away from a rat. Ali. 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 Who is sleeping? Dash is sleeping. Look at her. She is sleeping and her name is Fiza. So write it Fiza. Fiza. Fiza is sleeping. Who is hitting the rat? Who is hitting the rat? Daddy. Daddy is hitting a rat. You write it here. Daddy. 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 Who is drinking cola? Who is drinking cola? Mommy is drinking cola. Write it here. Mommy. Mummy. Mommy is drinking cola. Ask and answer most questions about the picture. Who is wearing black trouser? Who is wearing black trouser? Daddy is wearing black trouser. Who is wearing yellow frock? Sarah is wearing a yellow frock. Who is wearing a red shirt? Tom is wearing a red shirt. And who is wearing a blue dress? Mummy is wearing a blue dress. C part. Read the question, complete the answer with the help of the word in the box. Hungry, angry, happy, afraid, and sleepy. To answer these questions, you use these words. Why is Fiza sleeping? Fiza is sleeping because she is hungry, she is angry, she is happy, she is afraid, or she is sleepy. Yes, Fiza is sleeping because she is sleepy. Why is Tom eating a pancake? Tom is eating a pancake because he is hungry. Why is Ali running away from a rat? Ali is running away from a rat because he is afraid. Why is Daddy hitting the rat? The daddy is hitting the rat because he is angry. So we also do it on neat copy. Now look at page number 19. It is your homework. Now turn your page number 20. Unit 3, Lesson 6, Instructions. Making a sandwich. Today we make a sandwich. How are we making a sandwich? You need 2 slices of bread, 2 packets of butter, a jar of jam, a knife, a big plate. Okay, what to do? Wash your hands. First of all, you wash your hand. Put 2 slices of bread on a plate. Get a knife. Put some butter. Now you put some butter on bread. Slice of bread with the knife, with the help of knife. Put some jam on the other slice of a bread with the knife, and the other slice of a bread you put some jam. Put 1 slice of bread on top of the other slice. Cut the sandwich in half. Then you cut the sandwich in half. Eat the sandwich. Okay, complete the sentences with the word in the box. Put twice, eat, wash, get, and cut. First you dash your hand. First you wash your hands. Then you get a knife. You put butter, a jam on the slice of bread. Next you put 1 slice of bread on the top of the other slice. You cut the sandwich in half. Finally you eat the sandwich. Now C part, match the following. A glass of water. We drink water in a glass. So match it like this. A cup of tree tea. A jar of jam. A packet of butter. And these are the picture of jam, butter, water, bread and tea. At page number 21, Unit 3, Lesson 7, Just for Fun. Do the crossword puzzle with the help of clues across and clues down. Okay, clues across. Clues across, it is vertically. We write vertically in the box, and clues down, we write horizontally. Okay, first is butter. Here, first number is here, butter. You write across here like this. Okay, BUTTER, butter. Fourth glass. And where is the fourth number? Here. You write across like this. GLASS. Okay, sixth is jam. Here, jam. JAM. Across. We write across like this. Okay. 7, meat. Where is 7? Here. Now you write across. MEAT. Meat. 8, banana. Here. BANANA. Banana. Number 9, orange. With number 9. Here. We write across ORANGE. Orange. Close down. Now we write down horizontally. First is bread. Base number 1. It is also done for you. BREAD, bread. Number second, tea. Here, number second is here. TEAT. Now we write down. And 3, egg. Where is number 3? Here. EGG, egg. And fifth one is sweet. Where is fifth number? Here. Now we write the spelling of sweet. Horizontally. Now 7. This is a picture of mango. And where is the number 7 is? Here. Okay, now you write it. The spelling of mango. MANGO. And now number 8, beans. Where number 8? Where is number 8? Here. Okay, you write the spelling of bean here. BEA and bean. Now we are doing B part. Answer the riddles. I saw Momo. I give you milk. Who am I? The sound of Momo is. We are doing B part. Answer the riddle. I saw Momo. I give you milk. Who am I? Now tell me, which animal have Momo sound? Yes, it is cow. Now write it here. COW, cow. I saw cluck cluck. I give you eggs. Who am I? Which animal have cluck cluck voice or sound? Yes, it is hen. Write it here. HEN, hen. I saw meow meow. I eat rat. Who am I? Yes, you all know it is cat. CAT, cat. I saw woof woof. I eat meat. Who am I? Yes, it is dog. DOG, dog. Now write it here, dog. C part came. What do you want in your sandwich? What do you want in your sandwich? What do you want in your sandwich? He asked to him. What do you want in your sandwich? He replied, I want meat in my sandwich. Please, what do you want in your sandwich? And He asked to her, "What do you want in your sandwich?" "I don't want meat in my sandwich." "Thanks. I want dash in my sandwich, please. I want butter." You write it here, butter, butter, butter in my sandwich, please. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.